The safe in my room is not working. Can you please send someone to fix it?
Have your guest ever complained of safe not working in the hotel room? A hotel safe not working can be frustrating for guests, but there are several common causes for this issue. In this video, let us understand the common causes for safe not working and what we can do to fix it in the hotel. The most common cause of safe not working issue is that the guest has forgotten the PIN or the passcode. In most safe, entering the wrong password a few times can cause this issue. It is also the easiest issue to handle. Apologize to the guest and reset the PIN using the software. Remember to follow security procedures before you open the safe. Make sure you check the guest identification before opening the safe. Explain that this process is to identify the guest and keep them safe. The second common issue is a dead battery. In this case, you will need to apologize to the guest and quickly change the battery. In fact, whenever you get a safe not opening complaint, always carry spare batteries. Work efficiently and fix the issue in as less time as possible. And then there are times when the issue may be mechanical. Either the safe door is jammed, or the deadbolt has jammed. In this case, if the guest does not have any valuables inside the safe, replace the safe with a spare and take the safe to the workshop to fix it. However, there may be times when the guest has some items inside. In that case, you may need to use the manual key to mechanically move the deadbolt. Some safe manufacturers don't have a key but a release switch that may need to be pressed. So depending on your safe model, work on the issue. And then there are times when the safe will give an error code. Look up the error code in the manual and fix the issue with speed. Whatever you do, never try to force open the door of the safe. It may be dangerous. If you are not able to solve the issue, call the manufacturer for assistance. Promptly addressing the safe not working in hotel rooms is essential to providing a positive guest experience. However, when you are trying to solve the issue, it is important to make sure that you follow the guest recovery models and apologize to the guest. Did we miss any solution? Discuss and mention in the comment below.